Welcome to our 5-minute journey into the life and philosophy of one of ancient Greece's most enigmatic thinkers, Anaximander. In this video, we will unravel the captivating biography and delve into the profound ideas that shape the foundation of Western philosophy. Anaximander was born in Miletus around 610 BCE, a prosperous city known for its vibrant trade and intellectual pursuits. Growing up in this bustling center of learning, Anaximander received an education that would pave the way for his future philosophical endeavors. At the heart of Anaximander's philosophy lies his revolutionary concept of the apeiron, the boundless. Rejecting the traditional belief in the primacy of the classical elements, Anaximander proposed that the universe's origin and essence were rooted in an infinite, eternal, and indeterminate substance. Anaximander's fascination with the cosmos led him to explore the origins and workings of the universe. He believed that the world arose from the apeiron and that celestial bodies, such as stars and planets, were formed from condensed matter separated by the force of cosmic breath. In addition to his cosmological pursuits, Anaximander ventured into the realm of biology and pondered the origins of life. He proposed that life emerged from the primordial apeiron, evolving into various forms over time, a concept that laid the groundwork for later evolutionary thought. Beyond the mysteries of the cosmos, Anaximander also pondered human ethics and social harmony. He advocated for treating all people fairly and justly, laying the groundwork for ethical discussions that would echo throughout the centuries. And there we have it, a brief glimpse into the life and philosophy of Anaximander, the visionary philosopher of ancient Greece. From his revolutionary concept of the apeiron to his ponderings on the cosmos and ethics, Anaximander's intellectual contributions continue to inspire and challenge our understanding of the universe and ourselves. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on history, philosophy, and biographies. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening expedition.